Okay, so we've got the knife chucked in here nice and tight, and we have found our degree. I happen to remember that this knife is right at a 20 degree, which is a little sharp. I'm losing a little bit of durability, but I like to have a nice sharp knife. So we're going to spend some time here. I am on the second Corsa stone. This is a 50-40 microns, which is a medium coarse. We have a very small amount of damage to this knife that is primarily in the main cutting area, so I'm not going all the way down to the Corsa stone since this is more of a maintenance situation. I put my guide coat on with a Sharpie so that I could detect my angle, and now I'm going to count down my strokes on each side in order to get the blade nice and even. We'll do one more trip on each side before we move down to a finer stone. Okay, next up is medium fine. This is 2014 microns. Okay, so this knife is probably sharp enough as it is right there, but we have another stone, so we might as well use it. This is 7-5 microns, which ends up being around 2,000 grit. I'm sorry, around 4,000 grit. We are essentially polishing that bevel right now. We're not moving much metal at all, putting a nice mirror edge so that we'll have a good durable cutting surface. Alright, so we've got our diagram here from earlier. We'll see how sharp it is. Whoa, Very nice. So just did a little bit of maintenance to the edge. You can see it shining there in the light. Very happy with this. We'll put this back in the pocket. Hey, Eagle Run 23, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.